welcome back my beautiful royals to another video. And hi, if you're new, my name is Royalty, and today we are going to be doing a tutorial on this look. Yeah. Yeah, this video is kind of short because I only did the eyeshadow because I had like an hour before class started and I was kind of rushing, and so I couldn't show you my face, but I still will have to put out a face routine. I didn't forget, but I had a lot of fun creating this look. Had some difficulties, but we made it. We're here, and yeah. But thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, guys, I'm starting off by priming my eyes, of course, with this white concealer, and I'm going to go in with the purple shade from my Purity Matte palette and Juvia's Place palettes. I'm mixing both of those purples together because I wanted something deep but also bright. So yeah, and then I'm going to add the pink from my Juvia's Place above it, and this is the beginning of a very beautiful blend. And then I'm going to go in with the yellow from the same Juvia's Place Zulu palettes. This helps create the sunset blend, which is like my favorite blend. It's the first blend that I successfully learned, so yeah, it's like a nice go-to for the crease area. But yeah, I'm gonna go back in with the pink and the purple because the yellow kind of faded it out a little bit, just to reinforce those colors. And next, I am going to cut my crease. We are doing a full cut crease because, yep, go big or go home. And I'm going to apply concealer on the empty space in order to prime my lids for our next color application. After patting it dry, I'm going to grab that loose pigment. This is from Badass Cosmetics. Follow me on Instagram for a full like product detail. But yeah, I just added the pigment in that same shape that I cut my crease. Pigment is very messy, y'all. Like, this thing gets everywhere, but I clean it up a little underneath the cut in order to have it more precise because it's literally loose and it falls everywhere. And so anywhere I don't want it, I clean it up with the wipe, and then I cut my crease for a second time. I think this is it. Yeah, this is the second time. Cut it for a second time in order to prime again for our next color application. And this last color that I'm going to be using is again from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, that blue shimmer, and I'm just going to apply this on the empty space that's left. And yeah, that kind of like completes the look. Very easy. It just looks complicated. Honestly, I feel like the hardest part that you would have with this look if you were to attempt it would be the loose pigment, but everything else is pretty easy. So I did my face off camera because I was rushing, and underneath my eye I am just imitating what is in my crease. I started off with the pink, and then I'm dabbing purple really close to my waterline. I'm blending it all out with yellow. These are the same colors from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, by the way. And at the last minute, I decided to, spice it up a little bit because I just have to do that. I first outlined my waterline with whites on both eyes, and then you're gonna see me go in with a light green color. I didn't show it, but the color is from Certify. I'm always going to put the product details on my Instagram. It's actually already on my Instagram, so if you haven't already, go check that out, go like it. I'm just going to place that color in my waterline and just gives it a pop, and I'm gonna continue with the rest of my face. Nothing extra, just lip gloss, setting spray, and highlighter. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. I'm sorry I didn't get to show you my face like I said earlier, but class. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next week either with a vlog, or actually my next video is of me doing my hair. So, you know, it's my first time ever giving myself braids, like box braids. So wish me luck and thank you.